I've been acting for over 30 years. I was in a film acting class, which I loved, but I realized I'm not confident about creating characters. They always seemed half-assed. I got away with it, but they were never deep. I've audited classes and left in the middle of the audit with teachers yelling, and I just don't understand how anybody can learn like that. So at the acting center, you're just embraced. You're actually doing it on your own. That's how it feels. It's like, here, you're a grown-up, you can do this, and they just guide you instead of telling you what to do. After 2 weeks, I learned about really getting into the character. So I went home before an agent showcase, and I just booked an agent. I felt so confident going in there, which is awesome. It's a place I wake up and want to come. I've been in classes that I know I should be there, and this one feels like I'm learning so much, yet I want to be here. Because you know you have to be studying at all times, but I think that's the first time I've really wanted to be there.